So from the definition, we know what incomplete dominance is. Please remember, incomplete dominance is where the F1 hybrid expresses a character which does not resemble either of the parents. It is in between the two. Now this competitive example that we have taken for incomplete dominance is in Andalusian fowl. There are two types of fowl, those which have black colored feathers and those which have white colored feathers. Notice that they are pure, meaning they are homozygous. So if you assume that a gene capital B controls the color of black feather and the gene small b controls the color of the white feather, so you can say that the genotype of a pure breeding fowl which has black feathers is capital B, and a pure breeding fowl with white feathers is small b. You would expect that in the F1 generation, which is heterozygous, that is capital B and small b, you would expect one of the traits to express, because we have been learning in Mendelism also, in the F1 generation, the one that is dominant will express. But see the surprising thing that happens over here. The feather color of the F1 fowl is neither black nor is it white. It is somewhere in between. You can say it is intermediate in nature. It does not resemble either of the parents. So this kind of a feature is a feature of incomplete dominance. So we can say that when capital B and small b came together, probably the capital B is not completely dominant over small b, and capital B is also expressing itself and small b is also a part of it is expressing, and there is something that is happening between the two. There is a blending of the gene products, and that gives rise to an intermediate character such as the blue feather. And if you cross a fowl which has a blue feather with that of another fowl with blue feather, you will get a classical ratio in the F2 generation, 1 is to 2 is to 1. So please remember, this is a very good example for incomplete dominance, because in the F1 generation you don't see a clear dominance. Imagine if it was clear dominance, you would have seen the F1 generation would have expressed only the black feathers, isn't it? But here it is neither black nor is it white, and that's why we say it is not resembling either of the parents. So one of the most important features of incomplete dominance is the F1 hybrid will express a character. In this case it is blue, which does not resemble either of the parents, and the classical F2 generation ratio for incomplete dominance is 1 is to 2 is to 1.